Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make brinjal and drumstick curry. This is a delicious South Indian curry eaten with rice. Brinjal and drumstick pair well with each other and they turn out so flavorful and tasty when you add them to the curry and eat with rice. Brinjal is called eggplant in the US, but I'm going to refer as brinjal in this recipe. It is called Vangi and Savakaila Aunty in Saurashtra and Katrikai and Murungakai Kulambu in Tamil. This is a super simple yet yummy recipe, so let's learn how to make this. We need 3 brinjals and some drumsticks which are cut in 2-inch pieces. You can use fresh or frozen drumstick. I'm going to use frozen drumsticks. Cut the brinjals like this and keep. We need half onion, 1 small tomato, curry leaves. We need some sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of tamarind concentrate dissolved in water, half tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of homemade curry powder. If you don't have curry powder at home, you can watch the video which I have posted to make curry powder and make it, or you can use the curry powder you have at home. For seasoning in oil, we need mustard seeds, urad dal, turmeric powder and hing. Wash and cut the vegetables and keep it ready, and let's start the cooking. Switch on the stove on medium flame and add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, and when the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of urad dal, little bit of turmeric powder and hing. When the mustard seeds start popping, you can add half cut onion pieces. Stir it well and cook the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add half tablespoon of salt to this. I am adding half teaspoon of sugar, which is optional. Add some curry leaves if you have, and then add 1 small tomato or 1/2 cut tomato pieces to this. Stir it well and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, you can dissolve 3 tablespoons of curry powder in 1 cup of water along with 1 teaspoon of tamarind concentrate. Add the dissolved curry powder and tamarind concentrate to this now. Add 1 more cup of water to the pan now. Stir it well and bring the curry to a boil. This is the basic curry base. You can add cauliflower or okra or squash or radish and make this curry too. Once it comes to a boil, you can add the brinjals and the drumsticks to this. Stir it well so the brinjals and the drumsticks are nicely blended with the curry. Stir it occasionally so the brinjals and drumsticks get cooked evenly. After it comes to a boil, you can reduce the flame to low and close it with the lid slightly open and cook for 20 minutes or until the brinjals and the drumsticks are cooked. After 20 minutes, you can open the lid and see how nicely the curry is done. The curry thickens like this when it's fully cooked, and it should look like this. Your world famous brinjal and drumstick curry from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. Enjoy this tasty and delicious curry with the rice and chips, and believe me, it really is good. So please try this recipe and enjoy with your family. Thank you.